Are you filing a case against this Paulo Jaramillo?
I don't need to file a case against him, actually. I mean, to him nga, yung pinost niya, ito nga ang pinakabastos siguro sa lahat ng sinabi niya eh. Nung lumabas yung article ko na ako daw ng bugbog kay Paolo, sabi niya, justice. May hustisya na daw. So talagang sinasabi niya na dapat lang akong nasaktan at dapat lang akong sisihin sa nangyari dun kanila sa Lopez Brothers. Pero sa totoo naman talaga, halos wala akong kinalaman dun sa away nila, sa gulo nila. There was different parties that joined in na hindi namin kilala. Matatanda na nga yung mga kalaban ng kaibigan ko. So we're all just playing self-defense. We're all playing self-defense and I don't know, he wants to look like the hero. Nauna siya mag-post sa Facebook kaagad. Why? Maybe he's afraid. I don't know. But for him to use an excuse na nasaktan daw yung girlfriend niya, I have no idea about that. Wala akong alam.
May mensahe ka ba kina Angelo at ni Paulo Lopez?
Message to them? Gusto ko talaga mag-sorry. I want to say sorry to them na umabot sa ganun. Pero if we were in the same room, and if I could ask Paulo, did I lay a finger on you? He'll really say, wala. Same with Wilmer, did I punch you? Did I physically hurt you or cause any damage to you? Masasagot nila na wala.
So masasabi mo rumble yung nangyari?
Rumble lang talaga nangyari. And they
Kasi wala kayong, kahit mga friends mo, hindi alam kung sino nagkasuntukan
even my friends have pop lips, pop eyes. Lahat po kami may injuries, kanya-kanyang injuries. Napuruhan, yes, si Paulo Lopez. Totoo talaga yun nangyari sa kanya. I mean, hindi talaga, he can't fake that. Pero is it my fault? No. But it's just the thing that wala silang ibang mapangalan kung hindi ako. Kasi ako lang ang alam nila, siya yung celebrity, grupo nila yun eh. And that's, doon ako actually naaasar na grupo ni Diego Loizaga. Paano kung hindi ko kagrupo talaga yung gumawa nun? Paano kung, ang dami kasing umepal lang eh. Ang daming wala dun sa simula na bigla na lang dumating.
At that time, ba marami pang tao sa bar?
No, parang naglumabas lahat ng tao sa bar para sumama dun sa gulo. Nakigulo lang talaga. Kaya nga the allegations against me na ako nagbigay ng go-signal, I never said those words or anything alike those words.
Sa tingin mo may mga kaaway ka ba doon or mga nagkairingan mo before pa?
No way. It was I think that yung isang Paulo was really looking for a fight that night. Na parang naghanap siya ng gulo. Tapos nung nakita niya na palabas kami ng pool club, parang doon niya siguro naisipan na, baka pwede ako makisingit dito. Tapos nung nasagi pa yung girlfriend niya, that gave him parang enough reason to join in the fight. And for all I know, it might have been one of his goons or friends who hit Paulo Lopez. That's for all I know.
Sa tingin mo ba na-judge ka ng mga tao?
Sobra. I'm getting death threats from their family, from the Lopez family. Ang dami na sinasabi na nagkamali daw ako sa kinaaway kang pamilya. Na shoot to kill na daw ako. Kapag nakita ko, babarilin na daw ako. So I'm getting death threats left and right. I still have I'm very happy na I still have my solid fans who stuck by me and are saying na until your side of the story comes out, we're not gonna believe muna what we're reading. Which dun po natuwa po ako dun. Pero yung sa mga iba, ang bilis mag-react na parang thug ka. You're so unfair. 10 people, you got 10 people to fight 2 guys. What good comes out of me getting 10 people to fight 2 guys? I mean, seriously, hindi ko ba naisip? Hindi ba ako nag-iisip? Hindi ba ako... It's ridiculous yung allegations nila sa akin. Tapos inconsistent pa yung mga ina-accuse nila sa akin.
And you are willing to pay personally dun sa dalawang Lopez to settle it out? Or
Sorry?
To face the Lopez?
Oo naman! If they're willing, gusto
down.
ko nga sana kagabi kung nakausap ko na sa telepono, okay na po eh. Gusto ko talaga sila makausap because I want to know what happened to Will.
Are you willing to issue a public apology to them?
I want to issue a public apology.
To the Lopez brothers?
that's the thing. I didn't do anything to them. I didn't do anything to them. Now the thing is, it's
Sorry for my
naging-
question. To apologize to them personally.
What for nga? Why should he apologize to them?
Oh, willing to talk to them na lang.
I'm
and
willing to
settle
talk
the
to
issue.
them. I'm willing to talk to them. Pero alam mo, siguro sa sobrang emotional ko na ngayon, I would actually say sorry kahit alam kong wala akong ginawa. Gusto ko lang mag-sorry na nasama pa sila sa incident. Pero it really wasn't it was just being at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Nobody wanted that to happen.
Mensahe mo doon sa
Nobody
mga
wanted that to happen.
nanghusga na sa'yo, sa mga, alam mo yun.
Wala akong masasabi sa mga taong magbilis mag-judge. I mean, ano yun eh. I mean, everyone has the opinion to have an opinion. So, if you wanna judge me, sige, judge me. Pero, ang sama lang, sana maisip nyo na rin na kung nangyari to sa'yo, sa inyo, sana rin na yung mga ibang tao, pakikinggan muna yung side mo at yung story mo bago sila manghusga sa'yo. Because it's hard to be in a position where everyone can just judge you right away. And then I couldn't give a statement right away because my manager was out of the country, so they told me not to give a statement. But right after, I wanted to give a statement. Right after, gusto kong puntahan sila Paolo at alamin kung sino tong si Paolo Jaramillo, kung may kinalaman talaga siya dun sa nangyaring suntukan. Because I really wanted to know. Because it looks like right away, he was trying to cover up his tracks by posting stuff on Facebook like, real men don't hit women. As if we were the ones who were wrong. As if we were the ones looking for a fight. When really, there are some snippets, some videos na 3 seconds lang, nakita-kita sila po yung nag-aangas. The only time that I became angry was when I saw my friend on the floor na dugo-dugo na siya. At binalikan ko si Paolo and I asked him who was the person who beat up my friend. That was the only time na talagang naging emotional na talaga ako. At siguro sa sobrang nadala ako sa emotion ko, hindi ko na napansin kung sinong tao nasa paligid ko, kaya nasapa ko sa mukha. Napaupo ko. The way my hand broke, nung in-x-ray ng doktor, nung nakita niya yung bali sa thumb ko, kung paano siya nabali, sabi niya, this kind of break is normally seen when someone falls on it or a lot of weight is put on the thumb. So hindi ko po nakuha to sa pagsuntok sa tao because really that night I didn't get to hit anybody.
Anong natutunan mo sa ano? Anong natutunan mo sa pangyayari nito?
Honestly, you can't say that there really is a moral to this story because it really was just a case of being at the wrong place at the wrong time. Because it was a misunderstanding. It was a misunderstanding between me and Paolo. And then this other guy wanted to join into the fight. And then he called a friend in to beat up one of my friends. And then because of that, my friends wanted to react and get back at this DJ Paolo. And then he escaped. Magically escaped. I don't know how he got away. So then, ang nangyari ay nagkarambulan with another party who arrived also. We don't know anymore. There is no really moral story to it.
Anong sabi ng papa at mama mo?
My dad is giving me legal advice while my mom is very upset because of what happened. Ito po pictures ko. If you can swipe to the right.
It's right after.
Oh.
My nose didn't stop bleeding all the way until I went home. Kaya akala ko basag yung...
Can I have some pictures?
Sure, I'll send it to you.
So ano na
Yan.
lang?
Basag ilong ko, basag labi ko. My inside of my upper lip was cut and yan.
Era na yun ngayon, di ba?
Okay. Salamat, Diego.
No, salamat rin po.